Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a meeting request or cancel a meeting in Outlook. This is an essential skill for managing your professional schedule and coordinating with colleagues efficiently. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, you'll need to wait a moment for everything to load properly. This ensures that all your data, including your calendar entries and contact information, is fully synced and ready to go. Once your email has been loaded, to send a meeting request or cancel a meeting in Outlook, start by navigating to your calendar menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. Look for the calendar icon and click on it to open your calendar menu. This icon is your gateway to all scheduling features within Outlook, allowing you to view your appointments and create new ones with ease. Once your calendar view has opened, first we'll set up a meeting request. Choose a calendar date from your calendar view and double-click on it. An event window will appear, and from here you'll need to fill in the fields such as the title and set start and end time for your meeting. Be specific with your meeting title so attendees understand the purpose at a glance. Setting the correct start and end times is crucial for ensuring everyone can plan their day around your meeting. To send a meeting request, click on the Invite Attendees button and a required field will be available. This is where you'll add in the email address of your recipient. Once the email has been added, click on Send and the meeting request will be added to your calendar. The recipient will receive an email invitation that they can accept, decline, or tentatively accept, which helps you gauge attendance before the meeting date. Now the process of canceling a meeting in Outlook is quite straightforward. Locate the meeting that you wish to cancel by double-clicking on the calendar entry of your meeting. You'll see an overview of this meeting with its details such as time, agenda, and title, along with the attendees. Now, to cancel this meeting, simply look at the top left part of your screen and click on Cancel Meeting. This action will automatically send a cancellation notice to all attendees, informing them that the meeting is no longer happening. It's important to cancel meetings promptly if plans change, as this helps maintain professionalism and allows others to adjust their schedules accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send meeting requests and cancel meetings in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.